Good morning. Good morning. Getting ready to trade some NQ today. Had one winner earlier, just a quick scalp. Didn't want to run, so just left it as it was. Same issue with the friggin' music today. Get these links over to Discord. There we go. Got the music working. Good morning, Crep. How are you doing? How's the weather your side? Let's get the screen up and running. There we go. It's just chopping around this morning, really. Slow grind upward. Trade ahead had way too big a slippage on the copy trader. Need to figure out what's going on with that too. Seems like it's always something. So like on my leader account, I had full take profit, and on my the copy ones I only had half. I'm not really sure what to expect up here. It hit my high target up here. I don't remember clicking that. Ran to previous week high, obviously, but just grind, slow grind up. And this is where I got in on my short. I'll show you the execution marks. The idea was behind this was if it was going to run here, it was going to take out this. There's a fair value gap here in a 15-minute. And I was going to run it to at least to the 15-minute gap, but it didn't want to run, so I closed it out. So now let's take a let's close all this out and take a look at the 15-minute. See, this is where I wanted it to run down into this. Never even really retapped it. You take any trades this morning in Crip? Might as well take a look at silver since it's hit our take profit. Life's good. Life's good. Gonna go for you too in crypto, I hope. Well, don't overtrade in Crip. For sure. Don't overtrade. This just isn't any structure whatsoever. This is just parabolic at this point on silver. I mean, even this order block here on the 4-hour line pretty much up with that. Sorry to hear that, Encrypt. Things will turn around. Yeah, then I'll take some time off if your trade mentality. It's wrecked. You're only gonna hurt yourself. Or just go to paper and just rage it on paper. Oh, we got a 1-hour order block on silver here. $118. Just won't stop going. Nuts, nuts, nuts. Crazy. There's the next target. 1-hour order block. I'll be trading evals in the session. I got that one trade in earlier. Wasn't a banger. This chop is just gross. It's a grind chop. Turned down this music, decided to go loud on me. Here we are stuck at this. We're on previous day high and previous week high. Because they're one and the same. And Crp, we were talking about like how when I was first starting out, what I would do is after I got wrecked on an eval, or more importantly, even a funded or multiple fundeds, I would drop back down to paper and treat that paper like an eval and prove to myself that I could pass that, and then later on buy an eval and then go after it that way. Definitely know that feeling, Crp. Sloppy 1, 2, 3, 4. Really sloppy. There's some big news events coming this week. Today's kind of like a protective day. We become more aggressive as we go along in the week. The idea that silver's almost up 10% today is absurd. At some point, we're going to want to retrace this, huh? Some fair value gaps here. Take it all as one. Rejected right off it. Got some good action coming off that fair value gap right there. We're still going to be bullish here. Was half expecting it to invert that fair value gap, but it did not. Everything just keeps getting bought up over and over again. Sup, Caps? How's it doing? So tempted to go here, but there seems to be a lot of quote-unquote resistance right here. Trying to remember what that line is. Oh yeah, it's this 4 hour right here. It's not that far away now. It just seems it because it's been consolidating for a while. I think my voice is getting worse as this cold goes on. I've had it for like 3 weeks, just battling it. Don't feel sick. Just voice is going and stuffy nose. Gaps, you getting any trades in this morning? Didn't do the usual London high to London low. It just went straight up. Like, look at all of this down here. For the daily open, the London low, the Asia low. Must have expected it to come down. So I played a reversal off of the rejection of the previous week high. The previous week high. Sorry, spam calls. It didn't tank, so I still upped it out in profit through here. Yeah, Caps is just taking it easy this week with the Fed meeting come up. Yeah, I kind of agree. That's what I was saying. It's kind of protective mode right now. Just taking any good setups until we get the news and the meetings over with. Anybody who caught this long? It's pretty golden this morning. Hey, Willa, how's it going? Glad you all still have power and all that. It's still snowing here. Probably got about 1.5 feet. Let's get right in here and take a look at that. It did dip into that fair value gap here. There we go. There's that pop. They got about 1.5 feet, 2 Willa. Yeah, we got slammed. It's all nice and light and fluffy though. It's the bonus of it being -10 at night. The snow is fluffy. Silver at 112. For those of you just joining, we've been banging out silver calls. Played the 4-hour order blocks here. And I was trying to find where this was going earlier, and this 4-hour order block wasn't big enough. So I dropped down to the 1 hour. A nice 1 hour order block here. So we're looking at, possibly 119 if we want to keep going. But we're already up, what, friggin' 9% today. Insane. Little vacuum gap down here though. There's no way I'm taking this up here. Just watching it play out. This is slow grinding again up. Had to be real aggressive with the entry. Wick down into this fair value gap here. Respected 50% of the previous 15-minute candle. Again, this is just so extended, just like silver. It's like it just keeps going though. Play would have had to been off the fair value gap. Would have had to been that. This new 15 went up first though. Are you guys looking at anything through here? Looking for a reversal, but she just keeps pushing up. Have a good one, Crp. Take care, brother. See you on Discord. How big are these candles here? Still getting used to trading this time frame a little bit. Every dip gets rebought though. Every single one. Rebought, 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 rebought. Do I need to draw a trend line? That feels about right. Kind of gross action. A lot of consolidation through here. Consolidated for half an hour, 45 minutes. Now this dip wants to get bought back up. Might go in degen mode here in a second on these evals. It's against my nature here lately. Exciting price action, guys. Exciting price action. I don't know if you guys have been watching on Twitter, the Crpyto and Lucid are having a little battle. Crpyto must feel that Lucid is taking into their profit margin. But I have to say that Crpyto is way better than Lucid. Lucid's live sucks pretty bad. Got Brett Simber here. Throwing shade at Lucid for changing their plans every 5 minutes. I mean, to be fair, Crpyto just recently retired one of their plans too. But they did replace it with something way better. The Select is way better in my eyes. Daily payouts. Up to 1,000 per account, so you can pull five grand a day out of them. Just a couple more minutes on this 15-minute that looks like it's going to close bearish. Big wick up, closing back within the previous candle. Silver at 113.35 and climbing. Satoshi, what's up? How's it going? How's your day going? How'd your weekend? Oh yeah, you hit the beach yesterday. I have lake access. Just so happens to be under like 5 feet of ice right now. Satoshi, I think you motivated me to go down to my beach and take a picture of what it looks like right now. I'll do it later today. Oh, it's still snowing, maybe not. The roads aren't really cleared either. Oh yeah, I'll show it in Discord for sure. We have about 1.5 feet here and climbing. Could be a 1, 2, 3, right? Could be a swing high. What is it bouncing off? It's getting caught in this junk here. Oh, right here. That's pretty good right there. Does it ever get so sunny there that they have to call work off, Satoshi? Just unless you hit a nice hurricane. Those can get scary though. You're like right on the water there, right? There it is, getting bought up again. This is crazy. There's no continue down. Oh man, losing power for 4 days sucks. Now indicator saying that this could be a 1, 2, 3 the other way. This is Chop City. Chop City. Let me look at the Forex calendar one more time because I forgot it already. So this is kind of why we're probably we had that slow grind up, no real momentum. Tentative. Trump speaking. We all know what that can do. Then so that Tuesday, tentative when. Federal funds rate on Wednesday at 2 p.m. FOMC statement and press conference. Thursday on unemployment claims. Usually the end of the month unemployment claims don't move too much. But core PPI month to month and PPI on Friday at 8:30. That will move the market, hopefully. So we could see some chop here. Or just some of this grinding action that we've been getting. Yeah, Satoshi. I mean, when you have a generator, but you also have like that nice weather too, right? That worried about all the people that are losing power up here right now. -0 weather. My house is all wired for generator. I just was too lazy to ever actually buy the generator to attach to it. And now we're thinking of selling, so I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. Knock on wood, we've had very good luck with not losing power where we are. Yeah, we live in the middle of the woods. Somehow we have not lost it. Very mad. Yeah, Satoshi, you definitely have to keep the in-laws happy, right? There is no follow through, guys. There's just no follow through. Let's go check on our friend Silver, which is about to break 14. Oh. Those who just joined in, we've called this live. That move live. Call this bigger move live than this one here. Right here, we're watching this. I would not take this, but we're watching this one. All we're doing is finding order blocks on the 4 in 1 hour. These plays were off the 4, these 3. Then we had another play down here that's deleted, but... And then there was No real order block here. You could call that, obviously that little one there ended up being an order block on the 1 hour right here. So we're just banging them right now. Then how would you get in if you missed it? You'd come back down to a lower time frame and look for a retracement somewhere. Like even here wouldn't be bad right now, actually. Something a little bit something like this, but super high risk, obviously. Because you should have a protected low here. So maybe even pull it down to here. A protected low, irrespective 50%. Moved up, created double order blocks actually. But super high risk though. We're just so extended, I don't trust anything. Look at that. Bought right back up. Crazy. This action's crazy on NQ. Would there be any interest of me going live on Friday during the news? Core PPPI. I'll YOLO an eval on it. Have to go back through my notes and see how historically how big core PPI was. What I mean by that is how big in the 1 minute candle that first impulse off the news is. That's where you can pass one day to pass evals. Since I've been forgetting to copy trade my evals with everything else. The select got renewed today. Should have already passed it if I remembered to actually copy trade it. So I've been working on these after I get my self-funded and funded account trades in the morning. Should be way more aggressive, but now that I have another month since it's got rebuild, I'm not going to be as aggressive as I was going to be. This looks like it could almost be a continuation here, but if it closes above here. If not, let's go down. Almost at my first milestone, which is a little one. I have a milestone of hitting 50 subscribers by the end of this month. Only need one more, I believe. I haven't checked lately. Got a little boost last week. It went from 37 to 49. I want to be at 100 by the end of this quarter. Just doing this for fun. I have nothing to sell you guys. Just hanging out, trading. Yeah, there's that reversal I was talking about right there. Back into this fair value gap. Looked like it kept on getting bought up. How many minutes left in this candle? 3. Has a lot to get through though. Really, this point here. Why are those so thick? Jeez. I guess with the purple, I need to go a little thicker. Yeah, that would be better. Changing the state. There's like a small change of the state here off of this. Then it has to climb a ladder to get out of there. I'm just amazed at silver. I just am absolutely amazed. Oh, we have a guest star. Hi. Come on. Hi. She loves the snow. So she's asking to go play in it right now. Get down now. Good girl. I think we're just watching shop, guys. It's almost noon. Here's noon. The only trade we had earlier was this one off here. Fair value gap entry. Could have got this one too, but that was a big one. Turned on a dime. As y'all know me, I'm patient as hell. I'll shoot for 1 to 3 trades a day. I got one earlier. Jupe TA for Stas. Okay, Satoshi, let's go to Jupe. Do I even have Jupe saved? Now she's starting to move. I do. Oh, damn. Now she's moving. Okay. Does it normally look like this, Satoshi? Do you have a better chart? This is the MEXC Jupe to USDT. Yeah, she's fucked. Stas. Okay, I'm gonna do an if this then that TA on this because I have no idea. I've not followed it all. Right. This is the 4 hour here. Obviously got a range right here. Take this as the full fair got a fair value gap here and here, so I'm just gonna take the whole thing. Obviously it's having issues getting past the EQ of it. This is the 1 week big candles off the 4 hour. Let's see what it's looking like to me here. Unless she starts to go. We're at, oops. Right. Struggling here. It really has to show some aggression to get above here, right? So if it doesn't get up there, we could be coming back down. And that this monthly is looking kind of like it wants to, right? Would this be a okay? Hold on, let me get here. Here we go. My brain's moving faster than my mouth right now. Okay, so let's delete this so we can see it, or just hide it. Right? What does that look like to you on the monthly? This doesn't look like I'd want to be a 1, 2, 3 candle, right? So we go over here, turn everything back on. So we need some pretty good aggression. Let's drop down another time frame. The 21 is starting to curl up to the 200. You know what that means? Nothing. So you have all of this as well. There's a fair value gap there, right? Let's change color here. Let's do a little ready. Yeah, just looking, this is looking bearish. But of course, it's just going to follow Bitcoin's lead, right? Like everything else. If you want to do the old flaggy flags, that's definitely a bear flag. Okay, so where would a target be if we're bearish, right? Bigger target if we're bearish. And this comes down and closes below here. This would be an order block. The way I pull them is I pull them from that swing low to the next swing high. And if this makes a new swing, oh, actually it's right there. There we go. To this, take those. This was a big enough candle that we'll ignore it. So we're talking 15. 15 cents. Satoshi, I bet that's not what Stas wanted to hear, but that was some jupe. They did that at about noon. Might clip this out. That's what I have for a jupe. Screenshot it and hold me accountable. And I don't usually trade these small ones like this. So yeah, that's lines up with this. Okay, back to NQ, which is probably rolling now that I've left it, right? Yep. Yeah, not really. Run to the last hour or so. Take a moment, hit that like button, subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. I really enjoy you guys spending time with me here. Just doing this for fun, guys. I'm no guru, no expert. I just play my model every day. So I said, well, hey, might as well stream it if I'm going to be doing it anyway. Yeah, it takes notes, Satoshi. You want it above the 200, and then you full port. Not financial advice. So if you get wrecked, it's on you. On Jupe Satoshi. I think I might be waiting all day for this to start reversing. But we definitely got some jupe action. Stas, if you're watching, jupe to 15. Actually, I'll post it in the group. This posted that to Stas on Discord. This does. See, this is just ranging here, and every time I think it's gonna come down, it does not. And it looks exhausted every time it gets down there too, so there's no follow through. It just looks exhausted again. What are you waiting for, Satoshi? The reversal down on NQ or juke to 15? I suppose none of the above is also an option. Little fair value gap here. Didn't break structure though. Oh, the full ported once we get above the 200. Big brained, big brained. Let's leave it red. Let's get to 100 subscribers. I'll do something. I'll give away an eval or something. Because I do appreciate you guys' time, especially since I'm not selling you anything and we're just having fun. Get up there. 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. I know I'm a broken record, but this is my system. I'm trying to catch a good move on a 15-minute time frame. I want to catch the wick or the tail. And if it's a really strong movement, I'll catch a continuation. Jesus Christ. This is just dumb on silver. This is just absolutely dumb. That 5-minute play that I gave earlier was working. Around the 5-minute, yeah. Nice. It's a longer idea. I'm not taking any of these trades, guys. Silver's way, way up here. We've made enough off it. We hit 4 bangers in a row. One down here that's deleted. This one. Called this one. This one. And now this one. It's looking like 5 in a row here. Everyone looks like a genius though when it's bowling. Or if it's bearing. You just keep playing the same thing. Seen people call for friggin' 500 gold. I meant silver. I'll just take it one order block at a time. Don't really trust this to go down more. So anybody have any other TA that you want me to scribble? Yeah, Willow silver. 115. Effing nuts. That didn't close below. My old eyes almost thought it did. Imagine trying to keep on trying to short. Look at uranium. Ah, yeah. Oh, hold on. I'll go to. I'll do a whole new. I'm going to take a look at uranium because we trade uranium daily here. We're the only stream that. Oh, I'm in crypto. The trades. Doesn't matter. Willa. No, it's not Willa. It's caps. Caps. I'll do copper after Willa. Sure, let's just do this. Is this the right one? Global X Uranium ETF. New York Stock Exchange. ARCA. You won't get this anywhere else, guys. Nowhere else. Uranium Daily. Okay, good. I'm on the right one. I'm going to do a little bookmark on it so we can go back to it. What color do I want it? Do blue. Gapped up this morning, huh? Well, what the hell? What did you get me into, Caps? Are you in a trade currently? Looks like a money printer. Oh, it did hit. Look at that, hit right off the 786. I don't even know what to do with this. Uranium high target right now off of the daily because it bounced off that 786. You know, about 68, 70. Could see a retracement here though. If the daily closes there. Back to this gap. See that gap though? Well, how do you play these gaps on this, Will? Oh no, caps. See on the monthly, it's about to close above A. Order block. Oh yeah. Should have started there, huh? We'll do this. If it closes above, yeah, you could ladder it. See how that's kind of amazing, right? How that 4 hour lands right about the 2 standard deviation. Oh, that's actually the 1, but so we go higher. So we're gonna start trading uranium every day, guys. I want to check uranium every day. Okay, now copper. What's this? What's this? Copper futures. Here we go. HG, okay. Because this is weird to me. There we go. That makes much more sense. Only place you guys will get uranium calls and copper calls. 100%. Well, the monthly broke out above that, right? Obviously. Couldn't order block. Somewhere about there for that target. Put it on the 4 hour. See if we get some cleaner. Not really. Kind of have this propulsion block, but it's going to ladder up and try to take out all those failed swings. Oh, Willie, you should have caught this one if you're watching it. Change the state of delivery here on this 4 hour a couple times, right? So you got a propulsion going on. You got a couple times to get in on the 4 hour. Fair value gap. Then here. Yeah, well, I agree. You just have to wait for it to this to change structure, right? Just inverts this. So then we start making bearish order blocks and bearish changes in state of deliveries after a swing. And that's what I'm looking. That's what I'm looking for with silver now, right? Now that it's going to be bullish until it's not. Silver may be extremely violent when it assigns a turn. Do have this red gap that's having an issue with, but it's still looking pretty bullish. So we could reject it a little bit, come back and retest this fair value gap. If it holds, we go up. Or this one could just go through it now, right? So that's what I have for copper. The only stream where you get copper and uranium calls. Let's go. Oh, no. I don't want to close it. I changed my mind. Oh, I didn't miss much on the NQ. Okay, guys, I'm going to hit lunch. I really appreciate you guys hanging. It's been fun. I like doing the side quests. Hit that like and subscribe, obviously. And I will see you tomorrow, probably about the same time, right around 11. And those of you in the Discord, I will see you there. Take care. Peace.